Good morning, students. I am Jennifer, teacher. I hope you are doing well and taking care of you and your family. Today we are going to start with our new chapter of English literature, that is lesson number 1, three questions. The three questions is written by Leo Tolstoy, and it's a very amazing story. The whole story is about the king and the questions that he is seeking. Now you must be thinking, what are the three questions? Why is he looking for those three questions? Does the king gets what he wants? Now these are the three questions he is looking for. The first question is, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And the third question is, what is the most important thing for him to do? But before moving forward, we will be focusing on these things. Why is he searching for the answers of these three questions? Now think about it. What do you think? There must be some reason he wants answer to these three questions. Now the reason he wants answer to these three questions, that he thinks that if he gets the answer to these three questions, he will never fail and his kingdom will also never fail. Students, I am going to read some passage from page number 7 and 8. So take out your textbooks, listen carefully. You also read the whole lesson, write down the hard words and find out their meanings. Now we will read three questions. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, the right time for every action. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priests. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom.